Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening Chrome and going straight to Menu, Help, About Google Chrome so you see the current version and whether an update is queued. Once done, Chrome will automatically check for updates. Make sure you have an active internet connection and are plugged in if on battery. You should save any open work because updates often require a restart. By starting here, you force the check and download phase immediately, which avoids waiting or delays later. Once Chrome finds an update it downloads in the background, let that process complete and watch the progress indicator on the About page so you know it's moving. Once the download and installation steps finish, click Relaunch to apply changes. Chrome restarts and migrates your tabs if needed. After relaunching, return to About Google Chrome to confirm the new version number. This step ensures the binary was replaced correctly and that security patches, to finish, confirm extensions and settings function normally and test page loading. If something is off, restart your computer and check About again. If the update still fails, make sure firewall or antivirus settings aren't blocking Chrome's updater and temporarily disable them to retry. This often resolves permission conflicts. As a last resort, download the latest Chrome installer from a safe source and reinstall. This preserves your profile in most cases and fixes corrupted installs when automatic updates fail.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.